Today we're going to show how to install a Classic Series sliding tub door by Basco on a fiberglass tub. The semi-frameless design of this shower door creates the illusion of suspended glass, while the single towel bar provides a refined accent. While this video will show the Basco shower door being added to a tub, the installation steps will be very similar if you were to install the classic sliding shower door model on a shower base. As opposed to hiring a professional, the do-it-yourself level of difficulty on this project is rated a 4 out of 10 by Basco. It requires moderate handyman skills and is manageable with one person, although 2 people are recommended. Here are the tools that you'll need to properly install this door and make this a simple project. Supplemental instructions are available at bascoshowerdoor.com. Please remember to be cautious when handling the tempered glass panels. Tempered glass is most sensitive at the corners of the glass or if unequal pressure is applied. After carefully removing all contents from boxes and preparing your area with drop cloths and protective material, you're ready to get started. The first step to a proper fit is to measure the wall-to-wall opening at the center of the tub rim directly on the surface of the tub and mark the header and track both 1/8 inch shorter than the wall-to-wall measurement. Then cut both the header and track at the marked location with a hacksaw. An inexpensive miter box available at your local hardware store will help you get clear square cuts. Check both pieces for proper fit. Now position the tub track close to the center, where both the inside and outside legs of the track lay flat on the threshold of the tub rim. The tall leg should be facing the exterior of the tub. It may be necessary to file the track in wall jambs to match the corner of the tub. Draw a pencil line on both sides of the track as reference for caulking the center line of the track. Apply caulk to the pencil lines and place the track to secure. Before you begin drilling, it's very important to understand the bottom track should never be screwed to the base. Drilling holes will create damage and leaking to your enclosure. Now take the wall jambs and press the parts into position over the tub track. Masking tape can be used to hold parts in place temporarily. Use a level to make sure that both wall jambs are level. Then mark with a pencil the pre-drilled hole locations on the wall. Lightly mark along both sides of the tub track and remove all parts. For tile or marble walls, drill 6 3/16 inch diameter holes and insert the plastic wall anchors. A center punch helps locate the holes accurately. Attachments to fiberglass or acrylic units can be installed by 2 different methods, depending on if your enclosure has reinforcement behind the unit. If reinforcement is built into the wall of the unit, drill 6 1/8 inch diameter holes and install the screws directly into the reinforcement. If the walls are not reinforced, drill 3/16 inch holes and install plastic wall anchors. In this tile application we're showing here, wall jambs are pre-drilled. Drill 3/16 inch holes with masonry bit in alignment with the pre-drilled holes in the jambs. Each parts pack comes with appropriate screws and washers for securing to your surface. It is time to secure the first wall jamb in place. Position the first wall jamb and attach to the wall with a number 8 by 1.5 inch truss head screw through the center hole. For the top and bottom screws, slip the nylon spacer over the truss head screw and install in the top hole of the wall jamb. Check that the wall jamb is still level on the wall and tighten screws. Be sure not to over-tighten the screws. Consider leaving the top screw on the second jamb off or down to allow for some flexibility when you're attaching the header. The header is designed to safely lock into the wall jambs. When the unit is installed correctly, the header is permanently locked to the wall jambs and cannot be accidentally freed. Slide the header over the safety T-lock on the mounted wall jamb into the header. The contoured surface of the header faces the outside of the shower. The flat, smooth side should be inside the shower. Holding the header at an angle, bring the header down to the wall jamb. Twist the wall jamb as shown to lock the pieces together and insert the final screw and nylon spacer into the wall jamb. Slide the stainless steel bumper inserts into the 4 soft jamb bumpers. The wall jamb bumpers are notched to protect the sliding glass. To ensure the bumpers are properly aligned, the notch in the wall jamb bumper should be on the shower head side. On the opposing wall, the notch should be to the exterior. Snap the bumpers downward over the top and bottom wall jamb screws with the spacers. Each panel has a designated side that goes facing the shower. This depends on the type of glass you purchased. Obscure glass panels should be installed with the rough surface of the glass to the exterior of the unit. Other patterns that have an etched surface to the glass should be installed with the patterned surface facing to the outside. If you have factory-applied AquaGlide XP glass protectant, make sure that the side that the coating is applied to is facing inside the shower. Before installing the door panels, determine the proper orientation of the panels to reduce the amount of water leakage when the shower is in use. Slide the roller assembly in the diagonal notch of the hanger bracket, revealing 1/4 of the notch, and then tighten the screw. For maximum waterproofing, the interior panel, which is the panel with the pull handle, should always be facing the shower head. Place the roller to the inside track for the inside panel. Lift, swing the bottom of the panel inward, and put the top rollers into the header assembly. Repeat this same process for the other panel. Slide them to the wall to make sure the panels hit the bumpers equally. Slide the interior panel to the shower head side of the enclosure, making sure the glass comes in contact equally with the bumper. If they do not, refer to the roller adjustment instructions if needed. Attach the towel bar bases with two number 10-24 by 1/2 inch flathead screws. Force the towel bar onto one of the brackets. At the center of the exterior glass panel, press the base with the towel bar attached and vinyl shim over the glass. You may need to use a rubber mallet to drive bracket onto the glass until fully seated. Now measure the height of the first base and mark the same height on the other side with a pencil so the towel bar will be level. Repeat this same step to apply the second bracket as well. Do not use a metal hammer to install the towel bar bases. Align the two pull handles and the vinyl shims into place on the interior glass panel at the same height as the towel bar bases were mounted on the exterior panel. Now you can locate the nylon bottom guide in the middle of the track with the glass panel in the correct position. Use a 1/8 inch bit to drill 2 holes through the mounting holes in the guide. Install the bottom guide with 2 screws provided into the drill holes. Neatly caulk each end of the bottom track where it meets the wall jambs and the interior edge of the wall jambs. Run a bead of caulking along the interior and exterior of the shower door. Let the caulking cure for 24 hours before using. This completes your installation of the Classic Series. For more information, visit bascoshowerdoor.com or call customer support at 1-800-45-BASCO.